Looking to supercharge your wellness routine? Discover why Manuka honey is the gold standard of natural remedies and why adding it to your daily diet can transform your health. Manuka honey isn't just any honey. Produced by bees that pollinate the Manuka bush in New Zealand, it stands out for its powerful antibacterial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties. Thanks to a unique compound called methylglyoxal, which is found in much higher concentrations than in ordinary honey. Let's look at 5 compelling health benefits of Manuka honey and see why it's a must-have for anyone seeking better health at any age. 1. Superior wound healing power. Manuka honey is renowned for its ability to speed up wound healing. Approved by the US FDA for wound treatment, it supports tissue regeneration, reduces pain, and helps prevent infections, even those caused by antibiotic-resistant bacteria like MRSA. Whether you're recovering from a minor cut, burn, or even a diabetic ulcer, Manuka honey's potent antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects make it a superior choice over regular honey. 2. Soothes sore throats and calms coughs. If you're battling a sore throat or persistent cough, Manuka honey can provide fast, natural relief. Studies show it's more effective than many over-the-counter remedies, especially for children and adults with upper respiratory tract infections. Its soothing antimicrobial action not only relieves symptoms, but also helps fight underlying infections. 3. Boosts digestive and gut health. Manuka honey acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut and helping them thrive. It can protect against and help heal gastric ulcers, manage infections like Helicobacter pylori, and even shorten the duration of gut infections such as gastroenteritis. If you suffer from digestive issues like acid reflux or irritable bowel syndrome, Manuka honey's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds offer extra support that regular honey simply can't match. 4. Promotes oral health. Unlike sugary treats that harm your teeth, Manuka honey actually helps fight harmful oral bacteria linked to plaque, gum inflammation, and tooth decay. Its high antibacterial activity inhibits the growth of problematic bacteria, supporting healthier gums and fresher breath. 5. Enhances sexual health and fertility. Manuka honey isn't just good for your body, it can also benefit your intimate life. For men, it has been shown to boost testosterone, improve blood flow, and enhance sperm count and motility, supporting fertility and sexual performance. For women, Manuka honey can help reduce yeast infections, improve vaginal health, and even ease symptoms associated with menopause. Its natural aphrodisiac qualities and hormone-balancing effects make it a holistic choice for couples seeking improved intimacy and reproductive health. Why Manuka honey is superior over ordinary honey. Manuka honey is more nutritionally dense, with higher levels of minerals like magnesium and vitamin A, more antioxidants, and greater antibacterial potency compared to regular honey. It's lower in sugar and carbs, yet richer in the compounds that deliver real health benefits. While regular honey is a pleasant sweetener, Manuka honey is a functional superfood. Who should use Manuka honey? Manuka honey is safe and beneficial for adults of all ages, from young adults seeking immune support to older adults looking to aid healing and digestion. It's especially helpful for those with recurring infections, digestive complaints, or anyone looking to naturally boost their vitality. For couples, its fertility and libido-enhancing properties make it a smart addition to your daily routine. Make Manuka honey part of your wellness ritual. With its unrivaled antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and healing properties, Manuka honey offers benefits far beyond those of regular honey. From wound healing to gut health, oral care to sexual wellness, it's a natural powerhouse that belongs in every kitchen and medicine cabinet. Add a spoonful to your daily diet and experience the difference for yourself. Your body will thank you. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and consider subscribing for more wellness tips.